Hey guys, quick tutorial today on a really awesome InDesign function that will really help you with automatically aligning some of your columns. You can see these are pretty out of whack. This is not about how to fix the height. I just made the heights different because it's easier to see some of the different InDesign functions this way. If you want to fix column heights, I would recommend watching our XY width and height video. Anyways, I'm going to start by highlighting these 5 columns. I think I want them probably aligned at the top. So if I go over to properties, which on my screen is on the right, on yours it might be at the top though. I'm going to go down to align. I'm just going to look for this button that says align top edges when I hover over it, and that shows 2 objects that are aligned at the top. I'm going to click on it and boom, they're aligned. If I wanted them aligned at the bottom, I could click there, or aligned, centered vertically, that works too. But I want to stick to the top. But my spacing is also very off. So how am I going to fix that? InDesign 2021 actually has this awesome function right here, distribute spacing. I want to regulate that horizontal spacing. I want that to be 1 pica, so I'm going to check use spacing and click 1 pica. And then I'm just going to click on that distribute horizontally, and boom. They're all distributed, and now it's just a matter of me moving that over so they're all on the page, and then I would have to fuss with the heights. InDesign will also align the left edges, etc. So if I had like a stack of photos and I wanted them to all be aligned one on top of another, I could use these functions for that. And I could distribute the vertical spacing as well if I had objects that were stacked vertically. Distribute objects is similar to distribute spacing. It's really not as useful. I think distribute spacing works much better. But it basically, I'm just going to delete a couple columns. I think I only need 3 for this demo. But what distribute objects does is it regulates the distance between the objects. So for instance, right here, it's going to be telling me how much space there is between the left edge of this column and the left edge of that column. So if I change that to like 2p0, all caps, 2p0, and clicked that, then this left column and that left column are 2 picas apart. When your objects are all the same width, so you can use distribute objects and distribute spacing equally the same, right? I want there to be 1 pica of space between them, and since these columns are 11p6 wide, I would just want the left edges of those 2 columns to be 12p6 apart. If I do that and click distribute left edges, it does that really easily. But if you have objects that are different sizes, you'll probably want to use distribute spacing. So if the spacing is the same, even if, say, your photos are different heights or different widths or something like that. Anyways, pretty quick tutorial. I think it's a really awesome feature. Super happy that InDesign just added it. It really just makes your life so much easier. Let me know if you have any questions, but thank you guys so much.